Hello everyone, my name is Mayank and welcome back to my channel. This is another demo of the project that I created. It's based on Qwen 2511 LLM model, which is an image model used for image editing purposes specifically. So let's dive right in and I will explain things while we walk through this. This is the project Qwen Image Editor and this is the URL. I will share everything in the description of the video. So I have a pretty good demo prepared for this. So let's dive right in. There are two modes. One is edit, one is compose. And in edit, you just edit one single image. You provide an image, provide a prompt, and it will do the edits, whatever is needed. And in compose, you can actually provide three images. One is the target image. This target image will be used as the source of resolution, the quality, the aspect ratio, everything. So choose your target image wisely, but otherwise you can use three reference photos for editing. For example, I can add a sofa here, I can add my photo in the reference one image, and I can add my wife's photo in the reference two. And I can say that, okay, portray me sitting with my wife on this sofa, and it will stitch everything up. Before we start, this is the word of caution. If you're using your local hardware, that's all fine. But if you're using Hugging Face, this uses 2x generation. It's a big model. It's a 20 billion model, which is pretty big model for a open source diffusion model. And whenever you use it, it uses the complete VRAM of RTX Pro 6000 Blackwell, which is 96 GBs. And if you use the complete VRAM, you spend your Hugging Face quota twice as fast. So that's why I've written a caution here. So just read it, understand it before starting the inferences. All right, moving forward to edit mode. So I will load up an image, pretty basic image of a living room, and I will just add a prompt. All right, now there are two speeds. One is fast and one is quality. If you choose fast, it will still use your quota twice as fast, but the fast uses a LoRA, an inbuilt lightning LoRA, or which generates the final rendered image in just 4 steps, which means it's really fast. It still uses the whole 96 GB VRAM, but it gives you the final output under 30 seconds or maybe less. And quality mode is without any kind of lightning LoRA or speed enhancing LoRA. And here you spend at least 28 steps, but 40 steps is the recommended step count for good quality. It takes time and hence it uses more GPU quota. So we will go with fast mode first. Okay, let's move ahead and I will hit generate. All right, it edited it beautifully. So see, the quilt, the cushions, the fabric, everything is intact. Even the leaves of this plant are exactly same. But the lighting is fixed and lighting is as per the prompt. Really good. And even the shadows, see, whatever we asked in the prompt, long soft shadows, they are here. Really cool for lightning fast edit. Now let's try another prompt. I will use this seed. Seed is what adds randomization to this diffusion model. So I will just use the same seed so that the randomization parameter stays the same and the change that is made into the model comes from the prompt and not just any other randomization. Let's hit generate. Nice. Warm lighting inside and snowy winter outside. Really cozy setting. Pretty good. So let's move on to the next part, which is quality editing. Now I will change the input photo. So this is the photo that I've loaded, a portrait of a woman wearing denim jacket. And the prompt is change the denim jacket to a red leather biker jacket, keep her face, hair, and pose exactly the same. And I will hit quality now. It adds a feature for negative prompt, but I will leave it blank. But you can, if you're facing weirdness in your photo, like it's weirding out the eyes, changing the hair color, you can add all of that in the negative prompt. I will keep the step count as default, which is 28, and I will randomize the seed again and hit generate. Nice, it did exactly what we asked for. You see, it changed the hand position and rest of it is same. But yeah, all this changes, all these hallucinations can be avoided with negative prompt. So the next part includes the usage of this feature, custom LoRA, quality mode. First, let's understand what is LoRA. In one of my previous videos, I will add the link. I explain in short what LoRa is, but for the people who are watching it for the first and hearing the word for the first time, LoRa is any adapter that you can plug into an existing base LLM. In this case, the base is Qwen Image 2511. And the LoRa, the adapter that I'm using, will enable this model to change the photo, to edit the photo and make it multi-angle. So for example, I upload a photo and say that I want the same photo but with top angle shot. And it will generate all the details, all the missing details, and give me the exact top angle shot. So this is just one adapter feature. Multiple adapters exist that give you multiple functionalities and multiple capabilities. So I will just demo one here. So first, let me expand it. And here it has two options. Either if you found a LoRa file, or LoRa is a .safetensor file, which you can directly use here. If you found any kind of LoRa repo on Hugging Face, you can just add the repo ID here. Or if you have a file, you can drop the file here and it will upload and use that. So first I will demo with the repo ID. Let's go with that. I will keep LoRa weight as default. LoRa weight means the strength of the adapter that you want to apply. So this is it. I will change the input photo and I will update the prompt as well. So the prompt is SKS, right side view, eye level shot, medium shot. So what is SKS? SKS is a trigger word. When you train a LoRa, some models need a trigger word. Using a trigger word, the LLM is able to figure out, okay, it means that we need to use some functionality of the attached LoRa. And SKS is the trigger word for the LoRa I'm using. This is the official Hugging Face repo of the LoRa I'm using. And these are some examples that they have showcased. And here as well, they have mentioned how to use it. It might seem complicated. I don't know what the shot is. I don't know what to write. I want a guy looking from here or being shot from here. But what here is in technical terms, I don't know that. So for that, I will point you to this repo. I will also add link for it in the description, which is this one. So when you open it, it gives you a 3D diagram, which is pretty cool. And you can move the camera. Let's say I want the camera from staying here and height here, right? And it gives you the exact prompt that you need. You can just use it directly in my image editor and you will be good. So for this, we are using right side view, eye level shot, medium shot. Okay. And let's hit generate. We have the output. Pretty cool. Let's check out some details. Let's see the headlights. They are pretty much the same. Pretty good. Check out the wheel. The brake panel is on the back side. Here it is. Really good. Really good. Okay, so the next part is using a custom file. So let's say there is no LoRa file on the Hugging Face repo, or you train your own LoRa with certain methods that are available in the market, and you have a .safetensor file and you want to use it. So you can do that. I will drop a safetensor file here and just let it upload. Meanwhile it uploads, I will set things up. So I will update the input photo and the prompt, and the LoRa is uploaded. I'll keep the LoRa weight same and let's say generate. Nice. You can see the hands seem like they are facing forward and it truly looks like a back shot, and it has maintained all the reflections as well. So pretty good generation. And the prompt was back view, eye level shot, medium shot. So eye level shot is more or less the same what we have uploaded, and it's just the back view shot now. Nice. All right, let's move forward with the next step. Now we'll go forward with compose feature and let's see how it works. I will take the target image as this, the portrait woman, and reference 1 as a handbag photo and reference 2 as a beach photo. Now I will add the prompt. Place the woman on the beach, blend her naturally into the scene with matching golden hour light. Okay, I will keep the fast mode on and let's see how it works. You can see that it shows two. Generally, on regular inferences on other Hugging Face repos, you will see one, means one inference running, but here it shows two, meaning it using twice the GPU time. Nice. So as I told you guys before that it took the aspect ratio, the resolution, the pixel density, everything from the target image. You can see the target image is here, and but it created the scene beautifully. Place the woman on the beach, blend it naturally into the scene with matching golden hour light, and see the lighting in the target image is studio lighting, but lighting in the generated images really beautiful, like a proper sunlight, and it's tracing the sunlight source as well. So it's really good for a fast generation. Now let's move forward with quality generation. Let's see how it works with that. I will just change the reference to, instead of a beach, I will keep it as a loft. I will update the prompt as well. Now the prompt says the woman holding the tan leather handbag, standing in bright loft interior, soft window light, natural and photorealistic. I will choose quality. I will keep the negative prompt default and hit generate. This looks cool. The bag is good, facial features are preserved, no extra limbs, a really cool photo. So this concludes our demo for today for Qwen Image Edit. I will add all the related links in the description, and if you have any question related to the project, to the flow, to the code, anything, just send me a DM on Discord. I will add my Discord invite in the description as well. See you in another video next week. Thank you.